Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are on the beautiful Zx10r and we are on our way to the Vroom drag meet. It's their 10th edition, I believe, and we've actually been there before. If you've watched my previous videos on my Zx10r, and it was pretty wild actually. We kind of saw a lot of modified cars. So yeah, it's a pretty fun meet to be at. Pretty crowded too, actually. The downshifts. Can I pass through, my friend? Yes, I can. Yeah, and the thing I, noticed, the thing I felt after, riding this bike is that maybe it's because I'm not experienced enough, but my right hand, kind of just gets paralyzed. I don't know. I don't think it's because of the gloves, because I've ridden the bike without the gloves too, and I still feel the pain. Maybe it's because, some hand position or something, or I just have to get used to riding like this, but I don't know. It hurts. It hurts and then it kind of gets paralyzed. But yeah. क्या? वो लेना है अभी. क्या? एक मिनट, यही कट करके ले दो. अरे तो
collect physical tag.
Yeah, that's what I'm going there. That's what.
No, you can park there only, sir, not here. There you can park, no?
Okay, fine. No, I was about to take it and go in, that's why. Just directly.
There and they issue your tag.
Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back. I don't know where I can park my bike actually. We'll see though. Hey guys, I've reached inside and I parked my bike here. I'll just take you guys around. I don't think I'm planning to stay this time. I'll leave soon. I'll just take you guys around, show you the cars and bikes that have come here. I think around afternoon or something there'll be more. Maybe there might be supercars, but I don't think I'll stay for that. Here are some bikes, 1000RRs, some M1000s, one R1. I think that's the only R1. There's an R1 over that side, but for now I think that's the only R1 over there. So many JDM cars, I guess. I have to walk through here for you guys, for the JDM cars. I'll take you to the bikes again. Jeez. It's too low. There's some other JDM cars over here. Nice R50 anniversary edition, I guess. I think it's gonna get more packed later on. Maybe if I wait for the supercars, they might come, but I don't think I'll wait for those. I'll leave soon. But wow,
389 versus 375.
that's a big BMW.
The guy on the right will bring
I think there are all just cars over there. This time
Yes, he's done it, ladies.
there's not much
The fastest.
because it's still like early morning. I think it's like, what's the time?
9.415.
Still like 11:04 a.m. Last time I had come here, it was, the time was even more up and stuff. Jeez. Oh. It just came at my face, the pops. I mean, I don't have to take my phone out, it's basically all on video. It's fine, I guess. I think you can get a close-up of the M1000R if the people don't mind. I don't know. We'll have to see, I guess. Some Ford trucks over here. I think that's the way you go for the drag races, I guess. I'm not sure. I'll have to see. Many other bikes here. My bike is here. Some of the bikes in there. I mean, you could just get a view of what bikes are here. There's only one Ducati V4, I think. Yeah, there's only one Ducati V4. There are a couple of S1000Rs, a couple of Zx10rs, and one M1000RR, and two Hayabusas, I guess. And there are a couple of other bikes over there, the adventure ones, Multistrada, GSA, and all that. I'm just trying to take you guys there. I don't know if we can see anything, but I'll take you nevertheless. I think they're doing some practice laps. It's not officially started yet. Yeah, Zx10rs. Yep, they're all in practice laps. Yeah. This one, I think they're a bit lowered also. Not sure. We'll have to see. Sweet Creations food court. Ah, food court. It's completely. Okay, I think they're starting from here. Let's see how it goes. Alright. Get a. I think this is the paddock view. I don't have a paddock ticket, so I can't take you guys there, but we have this view, the back end view.
Right, C5, C6, D1, D2, E1, E2, E3 class, E1, E2, E3, I7.
Yeah, they're just doing practice laps. Zx10r. Yep, those are all the bikes that are gonna race today, I guess. Not sure about cars. Pretty loud Hayabusa. Nice. I don't want to stay long even because it might rain. I don't want to get drenched in rain. It's a pretty bad feeling. I mean, it's a pretty bad experience because cleaning the bike again is too hard. So I think I'll go on, you know, rides and stuff like that where we can see a couple of supercars. So you guys will have to wait for that. So until then, thank you guys for watching, and if you did like this, you know, simple small vlog, then please like the video, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Alright guys, we're leaving.